Hello, meet Mike and K9 Rosie. In this video, we'll share the top 10 training tips to get your puppy started on the path to becoming a search and rescue superstar. Watch, learn, and join us on this exciting adventure. Our training tips. Number 1. Start early. Begin training your puppy as early as possible to build a strong foundation. Number 2. Positive reinforcement. Use treats, praise, and toys to reward desired behaviors. Positive reinforcement helps motivate and reinforce good habits. Number 3. Socialization. Introduce your puppy to various people, animals, and environments to ensure they are confident and comfortable in different situations. Number 4. Basic obedience. Teach basic commands like sit, stay, come, and heel. These commands are crucial for safety and control in search and rescue situations. Number 5. Scent introduction. Familiarize your puppy with the scents they'll encounter during search and rescue operations. Start with toys or articles with specific scents. Number 6. Focus on recall. A reliable recall is essential. Practice recall in various environments to ensure your puppy returns to you when called. Number 7. Exposed to different terrain. Search and rescue dogs need to work in various terrains. Expose your puppy to different surfaces like grass, rocks, water, and rubble. Number 8. Hide and seek games. Start simple games of hide and seek to develop your puppy's natural tracking instincts. Number 9. Handler bond. Build a strong bond with your puppy. Trust and communication are vital in search and rescue partnerships. And the last, number 10. Professional training. Consider enrolling in a reputable search and rescue dog training program or working with experienced trainers to refine your skills and ensure your puppy is on the right track. By following these training tips, you'll be well on your way to nurturing a capable and confident canine search and rescue partner. Join us on this journey, and together, we'll make a difference in our communities. For more informational videos about how to start your dog to be the best canine search and rescue dog it can be, follow us. We will see you next video. Happy trails and tales from Mike and Rosie's.